Lastly, for in this case, I'm looking at the sushi rig, basically meaning we're separating the mesh into very simple core components. So you can use either skin shade 4 or flat color, and then turn on yeah, basically wireframe, which is Shift F, the polyframe. Make sure the color is on, the line option is on, so I can see distinct color groups. Um, Again, if you hit, let me just make sure. I think my BPR should be all turned off here. I'll turn off shadows, make sure nothing else is really on besides soft C, soft RGB. If you hit this, if you hit BPR, again, it does now create the full color render of this. Now, if you've got a character that's got maybe layers of clothing or something obstructing the kind of core of the body, you may want to have a full turntable with the color groups on and then maybe hide, right? So I would say, okay, I'll hide the helmet, I'll hide this armor up here. BPR, the boots we can see. The boots haven't really been done, but they have a rough polygroup for now, so that gives you an idea. Um, Again, yeah, I'll just go to movie, hit, yeah, make sure nothing else is enabled there. Okay, so F to frame, center, zoom out a little bit, make sure perspective is on. Hit BPR, and then simply hit turntable. And there you'll get your render. The only difference I would do with this, let's say for multiple subtools that you want to sort of show at the same time, you can also merge the subtools. So that's another alternative. You just set all subtools to the lowest division level. I'll just cancel the render, do a quick playback so I can see. Right, there it is. Update my text, but that's okay. Yeah, like I said, one thing you can do is simply make everything visible, right? So the alternative to doing BPR, if you really want to do super quick renders, is to simply go to merge visible. And like I said, prior to this, if I'm showing low res, I want everything at low res. There's a great option for this where you set all to low. So literally, if each subtool has divisions, if some do, if some don't, it just sets them all to their lowest. Also, alternatively, if you wanted to render high quality versions, you go all high, right? Anyways, in this case, I just want to show a low res. So I'll say all low, merge visible. Now you go to here, and there you go. You're seeing the low poly in one shot without BPR. Yeah, for a sushi rig, I would want to see the color. For low res renders, sorry, not low res, for low poly renders, I usually don't want to see the fill color. So I'd actually just say, okay, let's pop into just turn off the fill option. It's a tiny little option on the polyframe button. And then if you do want a little bit of shading again, it's good to see some dimensionality as well. So we can kind of sort of get a sense of silhouette. You can also render this way for your turntables for just wireframe. So again, same issue here. If you have separate subtools, you'll want to probably enable BPR. Again, I think this thing still has wax on it, so I'll turn it off. And again, make sure maybe there's no wax preview. Okay. So again, BPR that if you don't want to merge all the subtools or have to manage